In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're handling a bustling business or managing your personal finances, knowing how to efficiently find a specific invoice can save you time and reduce stress. Let's dive into this straightforward process. First, make sure you're all set with QuickBooks Online. If you haven't signed up yet, hop over to the QuickBooks website and create an account. For those who already have an account, it's time to sign in. Once you're logged in with your credentials, you'll see a check option labeled "I'm not a robot." It's a simple step that helps keep the platform secure, so go ahead and check that box. After that, click on Continue to move forward in the login process. Now enter your password and press Continue once more. This series of steps ensures you're securely logged into your QuickBooks account. Once in, you'll be asked to choose the company file you wish to work with. Click on the appropriate file and you will arrive on your QuickBooks homepage. With QuickBooks open, the next step is to find the global search bar. Located at the top right corner, it's indicated by a magnifying glass icon, the universal symbol for search. Click on this icon to open up the search field. Now enter the invoice number you're looking for into the search bar. QuickBooks will work its magic and show you matching transactions in real time as you type. This is incredibly useful, especially when you're in a hurry and want to confirm details quickly. Should you end up with multiple potential matches, consider using the advanced search feature. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you'll find the option for advanced search. Click on it. This feature allows you to filter the results more precisely. Choose transaction type, invoice, and input the invoice number again. Finally, click search to fine-tune the results to the specific invoice you need. Once your search has identified the invoice, click on it in the search results to open it. This will give you a detailed view, providing all the information you might need. From this page, you have multiple options. Feel free to print the invoice, send it via email, or make any necessary edits. This flexibility ensures that you can manage the invoice as required right within QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. You've learned how to quickly and efficiently find invoices using their number in QuickBooks Online. This skill is a simple yet powerful tool in keeping your financial operations smooth and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made your QuickBooks experience that much easier. Happy bookkeeping!